Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to restrict someone on Facebook without blocking the user. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to easily restrict a Facebook account. And the steps will be similar for Androids and iPhones. First of all, make sure you have the latest Facebook version on your phone. Now go ahead and launch Facebook. And now we have to open the specific Facebook profile, which Facebook account we want to restrict now. To find out, tap on your profile photo and here tap on Find Friends and tap on Your Friends and you will directly jump into your Facebook friend list. Here search for the Facebook account that you want to restrict. Now just open the profile. Once you are in the specific Facebook profile page, now tap on Friends and tap on Edit Friend List. And in this page, at the bottom, you will find this Restricted option. So all you have to need to restrict the specific Facebook account without blocking, just tap on Restricted. Once you've selected Restricted, that's it. You have successfully restricted the Facebook profile. So this is how we can do it. And to unrestrict any profile, follow these same steps. Go to the profile, tap on Friends, Edit Friend List, and just uncheck Restricted to unrestrict the user. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.